Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your date of birth in a Nintendo 2DS console. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on our home button in the top left corner of our screen. Now scroll all the way down and press on the settings button. That way we'll enter the settings of your console. We'll be able to go for other settings, then on the profile, date of birth, and here you can pick a specific date and month of the birth, and that way you'll set it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.